Hi, Bill Robertson here. I'm here today to talk to you about how to use Harris Bedbug Killer. We're going to review key areas of application, safety tips, and the use of this product with other bedbug killers. Remember to always read and follow label directions. Before application, remember to remove clutter from the area to wash and heat dry bed linens and furniture covers. Remove the box spring and mattress from the bed and vacuum thoroughly. Now let's focus on using the spray. Remove the cap and connect the included trigger spray. One important note about the sprayer, make sure you twist it to the off position when it's not in use. Otherwise, the liquid will siphon out of the bottle. Treat common areas where bed bugs may be hiding, including bed frames, box springs, mattress seams, baseboard, and behind headboards. Here's a diagram of areas that you should be treating. When spraying, be careful not to over-apply. Spray at a distance from 8 to 10 inches and don't wet the surface, it should be just damp. Do not apply any other powder or liquid until the treated surface is dry. You may need to repeat treatment over several weeks depending on the severity of the infestation. The key is to be persistent. Bedbug infestations are not eliminated overnight. I'll finish up with 3 of the most commonly asked questions we get about using this product for bedbug control. The first thing people want to know is, how quickly does this product kill bedbugs? This product is a water-based formula that will kill bedbugs after it has dried and will provide a residual that continues to kill. The length of the residual will depend on the surface type, with harder surfaces carrying a longer residual. The second common question is, does this product kill the eggs? The answer here is this product is not labeled to kill the egg and has not been tested to kill eggs. However, when the bedbug hatches into an area that has been treated, it will die due to the residual effect of the liquid. The third common question is whether this spray can be used in homes with children and pets. The answer is yes. Just let it dry 100% before allowing children, pets, or other people to re-enter the area. Always follow label directions. I hope this video helps. If you have any other questions, go to pfharris.com and click on Contact Bill.